it's Bethy, and today I'm obviously playing Beastworm Simulator, and I decided to start recording because of this. Stick bug will spawn within the next 15 minutes, and I don't know what that means. Obviously, it's that stick bug up there that wants me to give it a translator that I don't understand, but I don't know what it means by spawn, where he will spawn, what he will do when he spawns, what he will drop if he's like the thing you kill, which I'm assuming he is. Probably. I don't know. Will he give me a quest? I don't know. What happens when I do get a translator? Which is not when he spawns, I don't think. But like, it wants me to give him a translator, her translator, him a translator. So yeah. There's that. Oh wow, I just said all that in 1 minute. Yeah. And if you guys haven't already noticed, my computer is being really glitchy and bugged and slow. So, good for me. But yeah. Ugh. Like there it got all slow and stuff. Oh wait. The honey is still attacked. Yep, see? That was a bug. Wait, are you? Wait. Do I have a gifted bee? Is that gifted bee? I have a gifted bee. Dun dun dun. Wow, they definitely added a lot more. And none of it mentioned gifted bees, unless I just went through it too fast. I don't know. I may have just went through it too fast. Take this. So look guys, I'm very sad right now. I have all these eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs, and no slots to put them in, and not enough money to even buy one. And the price will keep going up as I buy more, and currently I have to get 14 million. So that's great. Totally. Oh, now it says within the next 10 minutes. Good for us. Hold on. I just realized. I'll wait till this is done. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I got his quest, like I finished his quest earlier, and then I never got his new quest. I just realized that. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, I'm back. And another sprout has appeared. Where? Oh, up there. I'm also going to go back up here and do this. Oh, great time to lose my haste. Perfect time to lose my haste, of course. Ugh. Great time to lose your haste. Everyone remember that it's a great time to lose your haste. Ooh, ticket. I'm bored right now, guys. Very bored. Kinda want to go outside, but I kinda don't. Kinda want to play Roblox, kinda don't. Kinda want to watch YouTube, kinda don't. Kinda want to play the new Sims game I got, kinda don't. There's a lot of kind ofs. And a lot of don'ts. But a lot of kind of yeses and kind of no's. Kinda do's, kinda don'ts. So
Stop it, no. Get back. Get back. Settle down, no. Yeah. Get back.
And this thing is about, yep, to explode. Glue. And lots of gummy drops because it was a gummy sprout. Yay. I feel like I need to sneeze. Kinda feel like I need to sneeze. But kinda don't. So, where are we going now? Let's go to the hive, actually. Oh, I grabbed strawberry and I meant to grab sunflower seed. You might be wondering why I'm feeding this bee all treats and no one else. I don't know. I always feed Shy Bee a lot of food or treats or whatever, and then I don't feed them a whole lot of treats. I don't know why. Just when everyone's the same level, I usually feed her first, and I don't know why. I said X. Do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go up here, because I need to check the price of something. First, I need to make sure I was correct on the price of this. Yep, 14 million. Now I need to check. Oh, that's only 50,000. Ooh. I don't know which one of the three I want. There, I bought Eviction. Oh, now it says Stickbug will spawn within the next 5 minutes. Oh, didn't I tell you guys I would show you how to do this in the next video? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. How to get the thing on top of the tree. I'm going to check and make sure it's still there though first, because I'm not even sure. Yeah. There we go. Just get up here, doing what I just did. Probably going to have to use your parachute. Ah, I failed. Whoopsie. You're not supposed to come down here. No. Yeah. No, you're not. Hey, but what's that? I've never seen that before. I think that's a new... I wonder if it's a new secret. Let's go check it out, guys. First, I'll show you how to get that one thing. But actually, very first, we're going to make this suspenseful. For me, too. Why? But, and first I'm going to go evict a bee, and then... I think I'm going to do festive bee first. Hatch festive bee first. Honey, where's my eviction thing? How do I use my eviction? Where's my eviction? There it is. Oh dear. I mean, oh dear. Which one do I want to? I do have a lot of haste bees, but they're helpful. Oh, I have 4 haste bees? 3 should be enough. Well, yes. Bye. Festive. Yay! Oh! It's the ones from the thumbnail. Or I think they're called a thumbnail, but the front pictures of Bee Swarm Simulator. A jolly bee who loves giving gifts. It's purely motivated by the joy of others. Yay! Okay, let's go back up there. To see that new secret and to show you guys how to get that old secret. Can we go ahead and land here? Yes, we can. Nice. Oh, why? Well, you're supposed to parachute onto that thing. But I just noticed. It doesn't matter, because you just go over there and parachute on that anyway. Well, great for me. Why? I put out my parachute. Oh, hey, Mr. Werewolf. No, Mr. Werewolf. Come try and kill me. Can you jump up here? Oh, yeah, you can, can't you? No, Mr. Werewolf. There we go. Yay, festive bee leveled up. Hooray. Oh, hello, person. Oh, it's nighttime now. And fireflies. Alright, now let's go over here. Oh, come on. There we go. Now this requires a lot of parachuting, by the way. There we go. No. Ooh. And then you just parachute over to that one and parachute on the tree. But from the looks of it, it looks like they may or may have not gotten rid of it. Stick bug. Oh, I really want to go to the secret, but I really want to see the stick bug thing at the sunflower field. We'll go see that new cool secret thing in a minute, because we can do that at any time. What is this? Hello? Can we not go into the red? Is that bad? Ouch! I assume we cannot go into the red, but I am not 100% sure. Oh, we have to collect pollen? You've been trapped in twigs. Collect pollen to remove them. Stick bugs head into strawberry field. Oh, hello, fireflies. Heh. Heh. Eh. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Strawberry. Ooh, honey. Still at the strawberry field. See that? Still at the strawberry field. I don't see him. I'm confused. Much confusion. Come on, get out of the way. Go. Thank you. Still at Strawberry Field? I don't know, I'm very confused. Oh, I gifted B. I think the game is messed up. I don't know. Hold on one sec, guys. You can watch, but I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. I may have to go back again very soon, because not both of the dogs came in. Yeah, Precious is still out there, but Sparky came in. Yeah. Okay, anyways, guys. It doesn't look like he's here. I think the game messed up or something. I don't know. We'll keep a look at this stick bug challenge thing. But we're leaving for now. Actually, let's go ahead and defeat the mantises. I find this tree a great place to defeat the mantises because they can't get you on the inside as long as you go to the core. They can't kill you. You can kill them, but they can't kill you. It's also great for if you're slow and or have low level bees. Let's check out that stick bug thing. He's still not down there. Don't know what that's about. Oh, actually, real quick, before we go up there, I'm going to empty my hive. So much suspension, I know, guys, I know. So much. Just in Bee Swarm Simulator, a lot of stuff goes on. You're like, you have one goal, and then you're like, oh no, we should go do this first. Especially when you're making a YouTube video. Especially. Because maybe there'll be things you gotta like click to collect pollen or something. Or maybe it's just a new secret field or I don't know. It looked like an obby to me, but I only got a glimpse at it. You guys probably paused and looked at it. But I am playing live. So I can't. Actually, I'm going to try not to go in fields. Do not collect from this field. Good. Do not collect from this field either. Good. Oh, guys, I think what's happening is I think all that stuff is there. I bet once you've collected it, like, you can't see it no more. Please don't stop and collect there. No, stop. There it is. Let's go up there. You know what? I should have taken the cannon. That would have been much faster. And we may already be there by now. I am sorry, guys. Come on, bees. I think they're going to automatically go in this one anyway. Oh, no, they didn't. Good. Oh, this guy also wants up here. Okay, but obviously not for the same thing, I guess. No! No! Oh, thank goodness. Ah! Wait, what the hell? What? What just happened, guys? I didn't mean to go in there. That's the problem. I wanted to go out and like see in. Great. I wanted to see in and be like, oh wow, and get my first impressions of what it looked like from outside, and then go inside and see if that killed us or anything like that. And then it wouldn't let me go outside. It killed me because I tried to go outside. I'm so confused. You know what? I'm going back. Nope. I'm going back and going to the cannon because I think it'd probably just be quicker that way. Hopefully. Actually, we may just be able to go directly there. One time I went outside the map doing this. Like that. Ooh. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to land on this ledge without going inside. Okay. Let's enter. Come on, bees. Oh, because we fell down there and it wouldn't let us go that way. So wait, what? What is that? Is that the glitter stuff? What's that? It's too blurry to see. How are we supposed to get there? Oh, probably what we were just doing. Is how we're supposed to get there. And then we gotta fly in and go there. Or wait, no, look, see those invisible moon things? Kind of invisible-ish. Maybe we can land on that. Oh, or maybe it was just for a trick. Is that some kind of... Is that the Bumblebee Man? Is that the Bumblebee Man? Hold on. Is that the Bumblebee Man? We gotta go see if this is the Bumblebee Man. Like, I've been wondering what the heck and where the heck is the Bumblebee Man. Back to the cannon. We're just gonna fly directly in there and see if that helps. Uh-oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. Darn it, I didn't make it. Can we land? Nope, we can't land on that, obviously. Can we get a good look? It was wearing a crown. It was definitely wearing a crown. We're gonna try again. We're gonna keep trying this. We may not be able to get it, but we're gonna keep trying it. Anyways, okay, there we go. Now we're going off at a higher height. Higher height. Darn it. Darn it, I didn't get in a very good place to see him. Oh, that's mine. So we can't land on those moon things. They must be for a trick. Pollen. Where's the field you're standing in? Pollen. grants more move speed. Plants a random sprout in the field you're standing in. By the way, Merry Christmas, guys. I'm recording this on Christmas. Ant pass, sunflower seed, strawberry, pineapple, moonshine. Huh? Oh, I can't use it because I already have a festive bee. Huh. Wonder where I got that. I don't remember getting that. Maybe you guys saw me get that. Because I didn't see me get that. But I currently already have a festive bee though. Yay. What? I got the same exact one? No. Why? Why? What a waste of Robux. Don't buy the Festive Bee Robux pack. So you don't. Oh, it's not here. It was right above this one. And it had several things, and I was like, oh, that's so many Robux though, and I just got some Robux, but I really want to see what the Festive Bee is, and so I bought it, and it's not worth it, because I don't even know how I got that Festive Bee jelly, so maybe you'll just get one of those. What the, how did I get more than one? What? Yeah, see guys, don't buy it, take my word for it, do not buy it. Now I currently, from buying a few things on here, I had like 3,000 something I think, and now I have 250 Robux. So it's not worth it. I would just buy like extra honey or extra tickets or something. We're gonna go visit that thing a few more times, and then I'm giving up. Because I don't know what you're supposed to do there. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Hi.
I made that ICB.
Ooh.
And I brought you most of it.
Ooh, thank you.
And took Mommy the rest to eat.
No, precious. Thank you.
I had a couple pieces, gave her the rest of like half of one, and gave you like a whole one that's really just half of the whole thing, you know what I mean?
So, did you talk to her about The Sims?
And she said wait, yeah, she said wait, she still didn't have time, she's been really busy. She was cleaning the parking lot and doing trash when I got there. And,
that's okay.
All the customers cleared out, and then we walked inside, and she was one after another.
That's okay.
She hasn't had a chance yet.
I'm actually recording a YouTube video right now while we're talking.
Yeah.
They're hearing our conversation. Not your conversation. You're too far away from the microphone. I doubt they're hearing what you're saying. Okay, I love you.
I love you, bye.
Bye. Alrighty. Ooh, Sprout. Sorry about that, guys. It's with this recorder, I can't pause, which really sucks. So, we're gonna try that one more time, and then I'm giving up. You guys can test it out yourselves if you're high enough level, and if you have a parachute. But hopefully I helped you be able to see it more. Oh, like now. See, it's definitely wearing a crown, like a white crown. You know what? I'm going to rewatch this video and pause it and get a good look at it. You guys should do the same. And see if you can figure it out yourselves. And leave in the comments below Or if you can't figure it out because you don't have Roblox or you're not that high level, from what I did, see if you think you might know what to do and leave it in the comments below. Yeah, so bye guys. I post videos almost every week, and I'll see you, hopefully I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!